Woody's like, man. Woody's like, man, I'm so bored today. There's nothing to do around here. Man, today's such a boring day. I wonder what are my good days. I wonder what should I do. Hey guys, me Woody from Crazy Woody Productions. Welcome back to another video. I'm really bored and beep, beep, beep. Oh, it's my phone. Who is it? Hey, you forgot to get your car. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I've been really busy lately. I've been calling you for 10 days. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sir. I was really busy making videos. Your YouTube channel? Yeah. Oh, whatever. I was just saying, sorry for interrupting your video. I was saying, today's the day you get your car. Oh, when did I ever get a car? Remember you were talking about the car of 30, like 10 months, like you were talking about the car like 8 months ago. Oh yeah, so today's the day you get your car. Stop messing around and let's go. Bye. Oh yeah, today's the day I get my new car. All right, let's go. All right. All right, sir. Today you get your new car. Which car would you like? This is an awful car. I know. We never use that car because that car is bad. Please, you do not want to get it. It's real bad. It's slow. It's crash. Please, you do not want to get it. This car is horrible. And this one too. All of these plushies of cars are horrible. Yeah, I agree. Not for that one. That one's great. Wait, what is it? Oh my gosh, dang, is this my car? Yup. Oh my gosh, dang it. This is my new car. Oh my gosh, dang it. This is so much better than my rock and roll car. Oh my gosh, dang it. Heck you, rock and roll car. Heck you. Oh my gosh, dang it. This is my new car. Ha ha ha. Thanks so much. You're welcome. Ha 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 ha. Man, my mother, gosh dang it. Ha ha ha. Ha, my gosh dang it. That's so fun. My new car. Thanks a lot, stinker. Yeah. My new car. That's so exciting. Yay. I got my new car. Yeah. Man. Oh, shush, birdie. Sorry, I was talking to a bird. Anyways, continue. Yeah, my new car, man, this car is way better than my old car. My old car is rusty and it's really broken. It's really slow sometimes. Sometimes it's fast, but it's really slow sometimes. But I mean, this car is, yeah, it's way faster and it doesn't go slow like your old. It doesn't go so slow like your old car, and it can change different directions. Wow, that's really cool. Thanks so much, sir. You're welcome. You deserve it. Hey, yay, I gotta go. Also, sir, you forgot to pay. Yeah, how much was the car? $2,000. Really? Are you hecking kidding me? $2,000 for a car? Yeah. I'm not paying. Sorry, sir, you're gonna have to pay. Sir, you're gonna have to pay right now. Ugh! Good riddance. I'm not paying for this car for $2,000. I'm gonna take this car. I'm gonna do the stealing. Well, I'm not a thief, guys. I just want to get this car. This is my car now. See ya, stinker! to see if Woody even fits in there. Hold on, guys. Give me a minute. Man. Oh, I'm so sweaty. Give me a minute, guys.